So I don't know how well this is going to work with the wind blowing. This is actually, I'm getting ready to use this, and I thought I would update it a little bit. This is actually got a lever here that locks this in place so it don't fall off while you're in transit. So that was just, and it's the same thing with the anti-kicks. You got to have the button depressed to slide it in, and then let the button pop back up and it locks in place. So it's a really good setup. Everything is, I mean, the plastic will wobble some, but it's not going to go anywhere. So I'm getting ready to set this up and rip some plywood, and we'll see how it works. Just going to set it up. Get it set solid. Don't need it super high. Okay, locked in better. So to get this to the max, it's got this little pin right here that this sets down over, and it's got that one right there, and then you can adjust it. You know, that's pretty dang accurate considering. So put it back up on the mount, pause it for a second, and go get some plywood. Just checking to see if the gauge is actually right on the table saw, and trying to make sure it's set and square with the table itself, which is pretty accurate. And as far as I can get it to go that way, I wished it was a little about as true as I can get it. So now for the plywood. That's awesome. It's way straighter than I've ever cut on that other table saw, and we was still wiggling. All right. On the freaking money. Awesome. Oh, cut it like butter. I'm impressed. Again, real smooth. If it would have been, if I could have pushed it a little faster, I would have. I just trying to keep a bad place where I got a saw set. All it is. If it was setting somewhere leveler, it probably worked a lot better. Yep. Give me a second. Cuts like butter. So I'm real happy with the table saw. Did forget to wind the blade down, but I'll get it wound down real quick. Real happy with the table saw so far, and the biggest challenge will be when I start ripping 2x12s down to make my V boxes, and I think that'll probably be tomorrow. I'll probably cut them, use my chop saw, see how it's, or my sliding compound miter saw, and cut them down, run them through here, trim them up to the size they need to be to build my V boxes, and we'll put them through their paces tomorrow and see if they do the job.